Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is WordPress multisite. What is WordPress multisite? So basically there is this version of WordPress where probably you want to install a network of sites. Okay, so you have a site that you want to do, but you don't want to install them as different single standalone individual WordPress sites for ease of management. So that's where WordPress multisite comes in. Okay, so now let's assume that you have a network of sites. Well, basically, they are all going to look the same, just a few changes in terms of maybe the theme or in terms of a few functions, but they're going to do the same thing. They're going to actually, so instead of trying to install different WordPress on different folders and structure, you use a WordPress multi-site. So now, basically, what happens is that on a WordPress multi-site, the database and the core files are being shared. Okay, whereas the other basic things and all that are allowed to be customized individually. Okay, so that makes it very easier. So what is a WordPress multi-site? Multi-site is a configuration that enables multiple websites on the same WordPress installation. Because websites in a multi-site network share core files and database, network administrator can effectively manage all websites from one WordPress user account. So on a multi-site network, you have the admin. The admin user can see all the other multi-sites that are connected to that particular site and can easily give access to certain features for each of the sites and maybe disable this particular site to have the manager to be able to upload themes, then make this one not to be able to upload plugins, something, limitations and features and all that can all be administered by the WordPress administrator from this multi-site. So don't worry, we're just trying to familiarize ourselves with this basic concept and knowledge of all these things. When we get into the core development, you're going to begin to see how these things work in action. So guys, that'll be all for now on this particular video, what is WordPress multi-site. In our next video, I expect to see you as we explore further into the WordPress content management system. Bye for now.